Hi everyone, Morgan here. Different types of databases are built for different purposes. Most of us know and love relational databases to drive our transaction-based processes with well-structured data and complex queries. Relational databases allow for a medium to high amount of throughput and require rigid schemas to be in place. But what if you need massive amounts of throughput, but keep that low latency? Or what if your data model was simple enough and you didn't require the transactional support that relational databases had to offer? You might look into using a NoSQL database instead. Introducing Amazon DynamoDB. DynamoDB is a fully managed, fast, and scalable NoSQL database solution that delivers reliable performance at any scale. So, DynamoDB is fully managed. What does that really mean? That means that when you start using DynamoDB, you do not have to manage any of the underlying infrastructure running that database. When you need to start using DynamoDB, you simply create a table, define your throughput needs, and you can start populating it with your data. To compare this with Amazon RDS, with RDS, when you need to use it, you define how much capacity you need in terms of memory and CPU. So you're defining the underlying hardware that we're running your database on. With Dynamo, you simply just tell us how much you need to talk to that table by provisioning your throughput needs. With Amazon DynamoDB, you can start small, specify the throughput you need, and easily scale your capacity requirements in seconds as needed. It automatically partitions data over multiple servers to meet your requested capacity. As your data grows, AWS handles the management of scaling your database. There is no limit on table size, which means you can store any amount of data. DynamoDB synchronously replicates your data across 3 facilities in an AWS region to ensure redundancy and availability. So you're protected from any chaos caused by our lizard friends or any other events that would temporarily disrupt connections to an availability zone. To get a better look at this, let's look at our corporate directory application and how it can use DynamoDB.